But I ask you, how you know brown stew chicken, Jughead?
Brown stew chicken.
How you cook brown stew chicken? How you prepare brown stew chicken?
Brown stew chicken.
Yes.
And you have to season up the chicken. And when you season it up, you just fling everything in the one in the pot. And I said, hold on, which one you fry? One you fry.
How you cook brown stew chicken? I'm
man.
asking you how you do it.
You have brown stew chicken when you fry the chicken and then you sew it down. And you have brown stew chicken when you season the chicken and you don't fry it and you just put it in the pot and cook it down. You have two. Most Jamaicans don't know that, you know, Mike. You probably not even know that.
What are you talking about?
You have brown stew chicken and you have stew chicken.
Well, you're literally right.
Yes. But a lot of Jamaicans say them are Jamaican and then don't know. So you have brown stew chicken. The brown stew chicken, I know that. Because my mother always fried the chicken.
So the brown stew chicken, the one you just throw in a pot?
No. That is the stew chicken where you just throw in the pot. Yeah. The brown stew chicken is the one where that you fry the chicken and then you season it up and you cook it down. That's brown stew chicken.
And then
you have the stew chicken where you just season it up and you put it in the pot. Spartan! You understand? It's a difference. You love be the blood clot, man, and you don't know that, man. You don't know that.
Yeah, chef boy, you're the.
No, he's not a chef. He's a bartender.